To play Jenga. So we're start now here. And go subscribe to Dren's Khalil channel. Do you want to face reveal him? Okay. Now, let's play. Who's first? Okay. By the way, I'm the cameraman. Next. We check on this side. Next. Wait, let me arrange it. Maybe not. Wait, let me arrange. Next. We only have 2 rounds. We're just gonna skip the who loses, we're gonna skip it. We're gonna skip it. If this fall, by the way, we're in Philippines, so we're vlogging. It's only okay if I speak English, because I like English. Next. There you go. Go follow me on Twitter. My name is Rafael Inigo. Say excuse me, okay? Excuse me. Follow me on Twitter. My name is Rafael Inigo. Duli sa pelo. You're next. Okay. Give me camera. Guys, comment down below what do you want for our next video. This is my first vlogging video or playing games. I just put my name in vlogging because I like. Guys, comment down below if we beat the world record. This one is hard. This two is hard. This one, okay. This one is not hard. Okay. Oh. My God. Guys, I think I'm gonna lose. Your turn. Wait. I'm turn because you put the Jenga in it. So I'm turn. Wait. Okay guys, we're gonna cut the video in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we're done doing it. So rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Okay, you first. This is the most easiest part ever. Okay, your next. Okay, you pick that. I'm supposed to pick that, right? No. Should I pick? Okay. No. Okay. Please don't fall. Okay. Thank God. Now, should I pick? Easy. Wait, I'm just gonna put this. No, there you go. My God, guys. Okay, should I pick this? Okay. Okay, this is kind of hard because look at all the sides. I can't pick one of those. Let me pick this one. My God. Please. Okay. DK, you're next. Whoa. Ooh. Wow, this is one easy. DK, you're next. So yeah guys, we're now done. So please subscribe to my channel and DK's channel, please. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Please subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. Sorry, I'm just now. Bye.